There's something magical about that soft, rumbling sound coming from a cat pressed up against you. That little engine-like vibration. It always feels like a living white noise machine right in your lap. But purring isn't just a cute, emotional soundtrack. There's biology happening there. There's communication happening there. And there's even therapy happening there. So let's break this down and explore why this tiny creature vibrates like a miniature motor. When a cat purrs, there's muscle movement happening deep inside the throat. The laryngeal muscles contract rapidly, and they relax, then contract again, over and over. Those little pulses interrupt airflow as the cat breathes both in and out. And that creates the purr. Most cats purr in a range between 25 Hz and 150 Hz. That range isn't random. That range has been shown in research to stimulate tissue healing, reduce pain, calm inflammation, and even support bone recovery. So, while your cat is stretched across your chest, acting like she's half asleep, she may actually be running a built-in biological repair system at the same time. Kittens learn to purr before their eyes even open. It's one of their first communication tools. They use it to signal the mother that they're safe, warm, and okay. And she uses her own purrs to guide them, soothe them, and keep them close. So purring originally develops not as a sign of affection, but as a survival language. Then as cats become older, it becomes multi-purpose. Sometimes they purr because they're content. Sometimes they purr because they want attention. Sometimes they purr because they're stressed. A cat waiting at the veterinary clinic, back hunched, paws tucked in tight, can still purr. That's a stress relief purr, a self-comfort purr, a feline coping mechanism. That's why context matters so much. A purr isn't always, "I'm happy," it's "I'm doing something emotional." And this vibration helps. If a cat is rubbing against your leg, purring and weaving like a smiling little snake, that's probably "I am happy," and you are part of this moment. But if the cat is crouched low, eyes wide, tail tucked, and still purring, that's emotional pressure. That's anxiety release. That's "I'm trying to calm myself down." There's also a fascinating therapeutic angle. Veterinarians have observed faster healing in pairing cats, particularly after injury or surgery. It's one reason why resting near the owner and pairing can genuinely contribute to better recovery. Those frequencies can reduce discomfort. They can lower inflammation markers. They can make the body settle into rest mode more efficiently. Even some larger cats, like cheetahs, appear to use similar vibration behaviors. It may be built into the blueprint of the species. So understanding pairing means paying attention to the moment surrounding it. Where is your cat? What's the posture? What changed just before the pairing began? Because once you factor in the situation, you begin hearing emotions instead of just hearing sound. And that creates deeper empathy, deeper trust, and deeper connection. Because, in the end, purring is more than a noise. It's language. It's medicine. It's identity. And when you learn to read it, your relationship with your cat becomes richer, more intuitive, and much more meaningful. And that is the magic behind the rumble.